Hi, I'm Cinder from the Fangs to Dodo, and if you'd like to see how I went from this to this, keep watching. Let's start with primer. She's primed. Next is foundation, and I'm just going to build this up in layers. Going with Stargazer's loose powder. Right, eyeshadow. This is the stuff. This is shade Aqua. Make sure you have brushes that you don't really mind staining blue, because that's gonna happen. I recommend using a larger brush for the larger surfaces like your neck and your chest and even the size of your face. However, I'm going to switch over to a smaller brush to get into the details for that. Right. I'm going to fast forward this bit. Keep blending in circular motions. Just build on it. Same way you do in the foundation, you just build it. Okay, now I'm going to switch over to a smaller brush so I can actually get little bits of my face, because that's just going to miss so many sections if you don't use a smaller brush. This is going to look crazy. It was just after this that my camera stopped working, but I finished off the blue. So get a pair of fishnet tights and stick them on your head like that, and get a hair clip to seal them in place. Yeah, just arrange it there. And then you're going to want to get your black eyeshadow and follow just the edges of your face like I'm doing so here. And where you'd normally put your contour, put very thick black eyeshadow there, as we're going to go over this in a moment. Don't forget to put a little bit along the jawline and underneath your chin. Cross your fingers for good luck, remove the fishnet, and now you're left with scales. Next, I'm using the same brush to dip back into the black and aqua eyeshadows to darken my hairline and underneath my chin. Now we're going to do a sharp contour shape with the black eyeshadow to really accentuate a harsh cheekbone. Next, eyebrows. I'm going in with the semi-permanent eyeliner pen. This is a dark purple shade. Next is eyeshadow. I'm using shades purple and fuchsia. First I lay down a base of fuchsia, really lay it on there. Then I'm going to take a smaller brush to take the fuchsia underneath my waterline. Then I'm going to dip into the purple to deepen the crease and follow it with the black to blend out. Next, I'm using the black semi-permanent eyeliner to paint some big wings. Next is the Volumizing Mascara in extra black. Right, I'm just going to pop in my lenses. There we are. Next is lashes. Woo! Damn, they're delicate. I love a delicate lash. Now I'm just going to go along the waterline with a black kohl pencil. Feeling villainous, next is lipstick. I'm using shades 130 and 145. Gotta quickly move my piercing before lining my lips with the darker shade. Then I'm filling the rest in with the pink. I'll just quickly pop in my nose piercing. Now my hand. Yes, I know this is semi-permanent hair dye, and no, we're not going to be needing those gloves. Makeup doesn't generally cover all of the creases on your hands, and it also tends to wipe off easily, whereas hair dye is pretty gig-proof. So I use this as a base colour before adding makeup to smooth out the rest. And time to pull the sleeves down. Full coverage. Now I just do the finishing touches, which is brushing my hair, finding my parting and painting it blue, and finally finishing the whole look with a good helping of setting spray. That's enough pouting for one day. And that's everything. Check out the Fangs the Dodo on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram @the Fangs the Dodo, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.